To use a color palette, select the group or individual lighting channels you want to color, then press Frame followed by the color palette number and enter. To create a new color palette, type Group 1 at full, then enter. Open up the color picker and select the color you want to save. Then type Record Frame followed by the new color palette number and enter. To edit a color palette, simply re-record the color palette using the same number. To delete a color palette, type Delete Frame followed by the color palette number and enter. Press enter again to confirm.